Whoa, this is nutty. Bam, check it out. Here we go. Sorry about that, my phone tipped over. And now, here we go. Ooh. Ah, it's a keyboard. Alright. We got some accessories in here. Melgeek. So if you're looking for something different for your gaming, definitely check these guys out. Affordable. Great deals they got going on. There we go. I think I got everything out. Yep. Got here. This is a kind of feels like a shoelace material for the USB. Nice the cable though. We got some goodies in here. Most likely this will be a gaming. Whoa. Gaming PC. We got some extra keys. It's like holograph or see-through. Yeah, definitely a gaming PC. They got the different symbols. Oh, keep them all out. Maybe the hotkeys or whatever they're called. You can swap these out. Maybe 3D print some new ones. I've seen some crazy looking keys. So these are nice and simple. And here's a polar. Everybody should know how to use those. Now this beast, like I said, she is kind of heavy. Whoa. This thing weighs. Definitely ain't gonna go nowhere sliding off your desk. Really nice light bar. I think this is what it is. Oh, this is beauty. Yeah. Maybe some lights here. Play for fun. Yeah, slip guards there. Alright, let me definitely mechanical. Look at this. Mode. Power. USB. Dang. Whoa, almost knocked you guys out. Here are the keys a little closer. Very nice. Yeah, they feel really good keys. So like I said, if you're interested, all you gotta do is click the link down below. And I'm gonna set this up on a computer right now. I'm gonna take it downstairs. It's a lot darker. But yeah, it shows everything. Okay, it does have English. It does have FNQ. So it shows it right there, the diagram. Quick tip. Got a US data cable. Keycaps, switch polar. Bonus keycaps, user manual. A little B sticker. Where's my sticker? Oh man. I didn't get no sticker. Okay. Oh well. We got everything though, what we needed. Like I said, I'm gonna hop downstairs and then see how this thing lights up. I'm sure it's gonna be sweet looking. Cause I mean, they did a really good job with this one so far. That I've I mean, the weight is pretty shocking, but like I said, it's a good thing. Not a bad thing. Look at that, though. Really sweet. Light bar right there. But I like the ones with the keys on the side. I'm a fan of that kind of keyboard. These are good. Like I said, a lot of people do like these styles, especially the gamers, PC gaming. Oh yeah, definitely sweet looking. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Excellent job, Melgeek. Alright, we'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers. Look at this thing. Amazing colors. Excellent quality. Melgeek, you guys did a really good job with this one. Flip it around. You can see the light bar right here. I'm not sure if this model you could swap them out and change them around, but click the link and you'll find out. I think there's a mode button somewhere here. Oh, there we go. So that kind of mode. And then I think it's what? Usually FN. Really nice. See it flipping. So, like I said, all you gotta do is click the link down below, check them out, place your order. So cool. I think that's it. So, you guys have a good weekend. Be safe.